What is impulse? Impulse is the change in momentum of an object resulting from a force applied over a specific time. Impulse describes the effect of a force acting on an object for a short period, such as a bat hitting a ball or pushing a door quickly. It measures how much the object's motion changes. Real-life example. Kicking a soccer ball applies impulse, changing its speed and direction. A car's airbag reduces the impulse force by increasing the time of collision. Impulse, J, is defined as the product of force, F, and the time, delta t, over which the force acts, and it is equal to the change in momentum, delta p. J equals F delta t equals delta p, where J equals impulse, Newton seconds, ns. F equals force, newtons, n. Delta t equals time duration of the force, seconds. Delta p equals change in momentum, kg m/s. Impulse equals force times time equals change in motion. It's how short bursts of force change an object's speed or direction.